In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get a 100% completed GTA Vice City save game with all missions, properties, and item fully unlocked. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and check manual download option and check the slow download option. Wait for this 5 seconds. After the download done, check this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and go to documents folder. Open the GTA Vice City user files. Just drag and drop all these files inside of a save game folder and just close tab here and launch the game. Start game, load game, and select keep your friends. Select the yes option. Go near to the car shed. You have cars, everything. Look at that. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.